Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram a Dodge Ram key fob. First, gather your key fob in your vehicle. Make sure the key fob has a good battery, as a low battery can prevent successful programming. This simple, step-by-step guide will help you get your key fob working again in just a few minutes, saving you time and a trip to the dealership. To begin, get into the driver's seat of your Dodge Ram and ensure all doors are completely closed. Next, within 10 seconds of entering, use your key fob to lock the doors. Now, insert your key into the ignition. Turn the key to the run position, which is just before starting the engine, but do not actually start it. While the key is in the run position, press and hold both the unlock and panic buttons on your key fob simultaneously. Release both buttons at the same time. Immediately after, press and hold both the unlock and lock buttons together, then release them. Finally, press the unlock button once more to complete the sequence. Now, turn the ignition to the off position and remove the key. Step out of your Ram and test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors. If it doesn't work, simply repeat the entire programming process. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.